Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, with heart attacks being a significant contributor to these statistics. While genetics and other factors beyond our control play a role in the heart health, research has consistently shown that lifestyle choices can have a profound impact on your cardiovascular well-being. In this video, we will explore lifestyle changes that can significantly reduce the risk of heart attacks and promote overall heart health. The power of lifestyle choices. It's often said that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, which holds particularly true for heart health. Lifestyle factors such as diet, physical activity, smoking habits, stress management, and weight management can either promote or undermine cardiovascular heart health. By making informed choice in these areas, individuals can take proactive steps to prevent heart attacks and other cardiovascular conditions. Health eating habits. A healthy body having a healthy heart. A heart healthy diet forms the foundation of heart attack prevention. This involves consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats while minimizing intake of processed food, saturated foods, trans foods, cholesterol, sodium, and added sugars. The Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes plant based food, fish, olive oil, and moderate wine consumptions, has been widely claimed for its cardiovascular benefits. Regular physical activity. Regular exercise is another cornerstone of heart attack prevention. Engaging in aerobic activities such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or dancing can help improve cardiovascular fitness, lower blood pressure, control weight, and reduce cholesterol levels. The American Heart Association advises engaging in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, in addition to muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days weekly. Quitting smoking. Tobacco use is a major risk factor for heart disease and heart attacks. Smoking damages blood vessels, increases blood pressure, reducing oxygen supply to the heart, and promotes the formation of blood clots, all of which contribute to an elevated risk of heart attacks. One of the most impactful measures individuals can take to safeguard their heart health is quitting smoking. It's never too late to quit, and there are numerous resources and support systems available to help individuals kick the habit for good. Stress management. Persistent stress can exert a detrimental effect on the heart, potentially contributing to the onset of the heart disease. Stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline can increase blood pressure, raise heart attack, and promote inflammation, all of which are detrimental to cardiovascular health. Implementing stress reduction techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercise, yoga, or spending time in nature can help to mitigate the effects of stress and promote relaxation. Maintaining healthy weight. Being overweight or obese significantly increase the risk of heart disease and heart attacks. Excess weight puts strain on the heart, raise blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides, and increase the likelihood of developing conditions such as diabetes and sleep apnea, all of which are risk factors for the heart attacks, heart disease. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight through a combination of balanced diet and regular exercise is essential for heart health. Lifestyle changes play a vital role in the heart attack prevention. By adopting healthy eating habits, engaging in regular physical activity, smoking, quitting, managing stress effectively, and maintaining a healthy weight, individuals can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and heart attacks. It's never too late to make positive change, and even small adjustment to lifestyle habits can yield significant benefits for the heart health in the long run. Empowering individuals with the knowledge and resources to make informed choices about their health is essential for combating the global burden of heart disease and empowering or improving overall cardiovascular outcomes.